Hey Frugal fam, it's Mia here and happy Juneteenth. Today I have some fun and simple Juneteenth DIYs for you to try so you can celebrate freedom and the culture by spending a little for a lot. Let's get into it. The first DIY is the simplest out of the three. You'll need a red and green candle and these letter stickers. You'll unwrap the candle, and don't be surprised if the candle is slightly lighter. The plastic film is also red and makes the candle more vibrant. Once you find the best place to put your word on the candle, pick the stickers and start placing it on. I'll be spelling celebrate on this one. After the first two letters, you can estimate where to place the rest of the letters and if they'll fit. Once you're done sticking them on, adjust as necessary. And then I'm going to add some Mod Podge to make sure the stickers don't come off. And I'll paint a nice strip going down and around the letters. And then let that dry and on to the green one. Do the exact same thing as you did for the red one and Mod Podge it. And once it's dry, it's good to go. I just love the way these turned out. You can either light them or just leave them be up on your mantle. Next, I'll be decorating these black monogram decor beads. You'll need scotch colored plastic tape that I got from Amazon and scissors. I'll be decorating them in the Pan-African flag colors. I'll place these diagonally across the letter. Place the red strip of tape down. Then take a green strip and mark it with a pencil. Remove the green tape and align it with the red, move it down, and tape it over the pencil mark. So this way there's a red, black, and green pattern. Continue to alternate until you cover the whole letter. Then press the tape across the sides and on the back of the letter. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You just want to press the tape tightly and smoothly behind the letter. What I love about this tape is that it comes off so easily, and you can recycle this for future projects too. I continued this pattern on the M, and there you have it. I decorated these around the candles I just made, and they're matching, and it turned out so great. Next up is my favorite. We are making a 3-layer candle. You'll need a candle holder, fragrance oil, and a red, black, and green candle from Dollar Tree. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees, line a baking sheet with foil, and place the unwrapped candles in the oven for 20 minutes. Carefully take them out with oven mitts when they're melted. They'll be super hot. Remember the order you place them in because they will look similar when melted. Take out the wicks using tongs and add a few drops of fragrance oil and stir in each. Wrap one of the wicks around a pencil to hold it in place in the candle holder. I didn't use glue, but you can if you want it firmer. I'm going to layer it starting with the green, then the black, then the red. Pour in the green first and let it set. I had some extra wax left over, so I made a candle and poured the rest in one of these glass prep bowls from Dollar Tree. Once the green is set, add the black. And once the black is set, add in the red. Once all the wax is cooled, cut the wicks, and there you have it, a tri-layered candle and 3 small candles. I just love how all of these DIYs turned out using mostly products from Dollar Tree. I hope you liked my DIYs. Which one was your favorite and which one will you try? Let me know in the comments. And remember, while Juneteenth is a one-day holiday, you can make these DIYs and have in your home to celebrate freedom and the culture all year round. If you like what you see, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to A Little or A Lot.
Taking a chance.